Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Authenticator for Binance. First, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Then, log into your Binance account using a computer or a separate device. Once logged in, find the security section in your profile settings. This is where we'll begin the two-factor authentication setup process. It's a crucial step for protecting your assets. Next, within your Binance security settings, choose the Google Authenticator option. Binance will then display a unique QR code on your screen. Open your Authenticator app and use it to scan this QR code. If scanning isn't working, you can manually enter the provided setup key into the app. This links your Authenticator to your Binance account. Now, your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit, time-sensitive code. Enter this code into the designated field on your Binance page. You'll also need to input your Binance login password to confirm the activation. After entering both, click the Submit button to finalize the two-factor authentication setup. Your account is now much more secure. Finally, remember these vital security tips. Always back up your Authenticator key in a very secure, offline place. This key is essential for recovery if you lose your device. Never share your Authenticator codes or backup key with anyone. Also, keep your mobile device secure to prevent unauthorized access to your Binance account. Stay safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.